Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make nice bacon. First, select a good quality, thick-cut bacon for the best texture and flavor. Next, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare a baking sheet by lining it with aluminum foil or parchment paper for easy cleanup. Finally, lay the bacon strips in a single layer on the prepared sheet, ensuring they do not overlap for even cooking. Now, place your baking sheet into the preheated oven. Bake the bacon for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, adjusting the time based on how crispy you prefer it. Remember to flip the strips halfway through the cooking process to ensure they brown evenly on both sides. Keep a close eye on the bacon during the final few minutes to achieve that perfect golden brown crispness without burning. Once your bacon reaches the desired crispness, carefully remove the baking sheet from the oven. Using tongs, transfer the hot bacon strips to a plate that has been lined with several layers of paper towels. This crucial step helps to absorb any excess grease, resulting in a less oily and more enjoyable bite. Allow the bacon to rest for a few minutes. This resting period helps it to crisp up even more. For the crispiest bacon, always ensure you do not overcrowd your baking sheet, allowing air to circulate. Consider adding a pinch of freshly ground black pepper before baking for an extra layer of flavor. If you happen to have any delicious leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Serve your perfectly cooked bacon immediately, either as a delightful side or incorporate it into your favorite meals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.